Here's Lynda. I saved this video before, but I saved it to the phone, not to the card, to show you how. Well, here, listen how she barks now. Anyway, Lynda, where's the river? You want to go for a swim soon? Where's the water? Where's that water girl? You want to go to the water, don't you? When are we going to go? Yes, this one's working better, girl. Yes. You poor little Lou. You can go for a swim in a little while, can't you? Yeah, just a minute. We've got another half an hour to go yet. Alright. Half an hour to go. One of these does this. I'm just knowing which one it was now. Was it that one? Lynda, look at your eyes, girl. Look at your eyes. Eh? It's a bit unfocused. Better zoom it out. Still got to make this smaller. It takes too big of videos. I'll have to go into the settings because it's like, for a 1 minute video, it's like, I don't know, 60 meg or something. And I'll compress, and I'll just use handbrake and squash it down to about 15 meg will do. Anyway, I'll do that and put it on the internet. Hey. Alright.